Hey, welcome back my friends. In this video, we're gonna be looking at DURA manifolds, how to put a valve on them, and just kind of a close-up on the different parts and pieces that might be helpful. So let's switch to overhead mode. What I have is the DURA 3, a 3-valve manifold, 1, 2, 3. This is where your incoming main line would connect to. And you know, I guess everybody has their own opinion on manifolds. Some contractors don't like them because they could leak here over time. Others think it's really fast. I guess I'll let you make your own opinion. But what this is, we've got the 3 zone here. There's a 1, you can get a 2, a 3, a 4, and then you can also put these together. So if you have a 3 and you want to make a 4, you can do something like this. We'll thread these together quickly here for you. Go. So now that is a 4 zone. And then depending on your valve, I have a Rainbird DV valve here. This is a female iron pipe thread on both sides. And so of course, those won't go together out of the box, but you can get these nipples with the O-rings. So you can thread this in like so. And then you can take your valve and you can screw that on. So you don't necessarily need a valve that has male threads. You could just use these nipples and thread it on like that. And then DURA also makes elbows. So if you want to, let's take off this end here. I don't really know always why you would need all these different parts, but we have them available. So I thought I would show you. You can put on an elbow like that. And there's all kinds of different configurations. So depending on how you like to set up your valve manifolds, you can get the parts and pieces that will work best for you. Here's another close-up. And it is, of course, important to thread them on tightly, thread them on straight, and build nice piping systems that won't bend over time. And that's where leaks come from. If these fittings are under any kind of strain, they could leak because they're not fixed. So do your best there, and yeah, that's it. There are the DURA manifold fittings. So hope that was helpful to get a real look at them. And if there's anything we can do for you, you can reach us by phone, chat, email, and you can even text our corporate number now. Thanks for watching. Happy sprinkling. We'll catch you on the next video.